Hi guys, I just want to brief you on my hairs and my representative. Tracy was actually my representative. Tracy, thank you very much for your patience, your kindness, your support, especially your support. You know, I really appreciate. These are some of the hairs I've already sold out almost all the hairs, and these are just the few remaining. Okay, so Tracy, thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate. You are the best. Like, you are the very best. I really appreciate your effort, your support, your kindness, your patience towards me, and the gift. I forgot to mention the gift. Thank you very much.